Okay, this is just a quick little video. This is just 2 kits that I've put up recently. This one is the envelopes without the white bit in the middle. Okay, somebody wanted them, so I had them and I just took the white away and put them up. I think I put them up for like £1.25. So the 25p is like the actual fees, Etsy fees. So there's 7 of those for £1. So that's on there. Exactly the same that's in the kit, but without the white. Thoughts of Summer kit. Nice. Okay. That's those. And then I've also put a 10-page kit of like coffee stained with like lace. I don't know whether you can see it. It's for printing on the backs. It's subtle because it's for the backs of the digital sheets. I wanted them, so I done sort of like a 10-page kit there. Hopefully you can see. I'll come a bit nearer. There. That's that one. I don't know. There's 11 pages actually. One's a bonus page. That's Here's that one there. I printed that one on card. Just I make use of all the bits because they're going through my machine. There you go. There. That one there. Another one. They're all different. So, and then I've done one of my rose backgrounds there with my stamp. I've got a rubber stamp, not rubber, foam stamp actually, and I done that, and I've used it quite a bit. And this is, you know, one of my own that I scanned. Well, I scanned in the rose bit, and then I sort of just placed it around the coffee stained. Okay, and that's that kit. So that's called I think it's either coffee and lace or lace and coffee. I can't remember, but the links will be in the description box. I absolutely can't remember. And these ones are called Thoughts of Summer envelopes, no white. Okay, and it's a standalone little kit there. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.